So what you want to start with is by taking these 4 Isofix brackets or frames out. Then the seat will just lift up and you will be able to get underneath to the fuel tank. So you want to push down with a finger underneath. Once you've got all 4 off, you literally just pull from under here. Now this is the part we obviously want to get to. This is the fuel tank side, so I will show you that. So when you get to this section and you've removed the back seat, what you want to do is put on this section here just to separate it. 2 fingers, she says, just to pull this off. Separate this section out of the way. Then you're going to want to just lift up this red latch to disconnect the cable, and it should just pop off. Now what you want to do is disconnect the actual fuel line. There is a button here that you press. It's quite stiff just because it's pressurized. It's going to piss out fuel. So press in and pull slowly. It's just going to squirt fuel everywhere, I know it. Not that much. So now that's off and out of the way, you need to remove this securing ring. So just get yourself a screwdriver in any position you are comfortable. For me, I'm in the back of Lola, so it's not the comfiest nor the biggest. And then I just hit the hammer on the end of it until it moves. Practically the same thing but in reverse. So what I would start by doing is putting the rubber ring back in place. Well, that's done. The next step would be to put the ignition on, but do not start the car, and you should hear the lower fuel pump priming. Sound like a whooshing noise. Leave it 10 seconds and then start the car.